Hi guys, so SEBI phase 2 paper is done now. Let's talk about the initial reaction, what we are getting from most of our students. Paper 1, I think that was on expected lines, almost at par for everyone. मतलब कुछ भी ले लीजिए, comprehension was easy, essay topics were also, something that you could have easily written. I think the key was paper 2, that would be basically the differentiator, and there is no doubt about that. That's a unanimous vote that paper was tough. Yes, I repeat, paper was tough. I think, except company law, which was little bit doable, easy, relatively, all other sections, especially I would say economics and accounts, were really tough. Numericals were lengthy. Management was tricky. Costing and finance, maybe if they were not really tough, they were still moderate. They were definitely not on the easier lines. All the questions were statement based, lengthy statements. So they were not much straightforward questions that you could have just read in 15 seconds and take the right answer. Right. So paper was definitely tough. I think the key in this exam was, as I've been telling you again and again, it's always not about reading. It's most of the times about EQ. And in this paper also, I think a person who would have realized that this is not a 75 or 80 marks paper, rather somewhere around 60 to 65 marks worth of paper, that score is really good. I think that is what initial reaction is coming. So I think he or she would have adapted to that paper, who would have realized that definitely it's a less marks worth of paper. ठीक है बाकी I think the key in this paper was time management. Who could have managed his or her time properly would have attempted more questions with more accuracy. That is what matters in these papers. Accuracy is matter, right? So maybe you attempted 35, 38, but if you have good accuracy, you still have a very good chance. So guys, best of luck. Let's wait for the answer key. I think it will probably take more time than usual to come out with the answer key because paper was tough. But nonetheless, this is the initial reaction. As of now, do not panic. Let's wait for the answer key. And why I'm saying do not panic, the first reaction would be that obviously you're not getting 70 plus, 75 plus, but it was not the paper in which you were required to get 70 or 75 plus to get selected. The cutoffs are bound to below. That is what I am getting at this juncture. But let's wait for the answer key and let's be more thorough with our analysis, and then we will discuss what could be the cutoffs. Best of luck.